Now let's see how the box model works. So I'm using the CodePen to demonstrate a small example. So I'm just first write a small HTML code, right? Okay. So let me copy and paste my HTML file. So I'm having heading. So I don't have any heading actually at the moment, but I just show in my file and my body. Closing, and then I need to have HTML closing tag. Right. So now I'm going to write some content. Now remember in your usual the heading section I need to specify my style sheet file, okay, a link to the style sheet file, but here I'm going to use in this particular window. Right, so I will going to write something. Okay, so let me have a small heading now. So let me have a heading like H2. Sorry, I just copied wrong one. Copy. Right, so this is my H2 element, heading 2, and let me have another element. Let me have a paragraph. Right, and then let me have a content element. Let's say I'll have a div element. Okay, right, so now I have these three element H2, P and div. So now I'm going to use CSS to demonstrate the box model. Let's actually use the div element. Div element. Right, so what do I do first? I use the background color. So I want it light gray. You can see now here the background color of this element become a gray, so that's the background color. Now if I put a kind of an image, it will override this background color. I remember which I have explained before. I don't want to put an image, but I want to set it to give a width. I want this element to 300 pixel, right? So you can see now it has been adjusted, right? And I want to put a border around this element, right? Let's say I want to put 15 pixel solid green. Okay, solid green. So you can see now the border. Okay, at the same time I want to see the padding. Put the padding, let's say 15 so padding area. Okay. So you can see now the padding comes there, right, between the border and the content, right? And let's say I want to have a margin of this element to set for the 15 pixel. margin. So right, so you can see now it get adjusted, right? So we have actual content, padding. Now that's the padding. The padding is the area between the margin, border, and um, and the content. And then I have the margin. Margin is the area between the other content and this content. Okay, so this is an illustration of the box model, how it works, what are the elements in the box model.